Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to log into your EC2 instance through your Windows machine. Here you can see I have one instance running on AWS. I'm going to select this one and then click on connect. After that clicking on SSH client, and you will see there is one command with user SSH command with username and DNS, public DNS of that instance. This whole command you can copy. If you're using Linux terminal or a Mac terminal, you can simply copy this command and paste it there, and you're good to go. But for Windows, we're going to need some information from here. Here is the user. You can copy this username, and I'm going to copy this one in a notepad. Actually I already have this one, and the IP address and the public IP of this instance. So here you can find the public IP. You can copy it from there and paste it on your notepad so that you're going to use it later on. So the next thing is you need a putty agent on your laptop. So I already have this installed on my laptop, so you can see here. Otherwise you can download it from Google. So here you can put that the IP address and the username I have copied here. I can copy again and paste it in IP address bar, and port should be 2022 as we're going to SSH into the VM. So we have to go to SSH, then authentication. So authentication here, and here we have to load the key pair. But the problem is that the key pair we have got from Amazon is with .pem extension, and putty doesn't accept that. Putty accept .ppk file. So what we have to do, another step we have to go through, is to convert that pem into ppk. So how we're going to do that? We need a putty gen utility to do that. So here I am launching putty gen. This I have already downloaded from internet. You can also download it from internet. And here what we have to do, just need to choose RSA, because as you remember that the key type we choose is RSA. So we are going to choose RSA key here as well. So I need to load the pem file here. So this is the pem file I have downloaded. So I'm loading it here. So it is successfully loaded. Okay, only thing we need to do is to save private key. Are you sure you want to save? Yes, I am. And I'm going to give it a name like AWS key.ppk. Save it and then close this. And here in putty configuration I have to load that key which we have just created, and then click on open. So here we go, we logged into our VM. So that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.